Rich, you had faith. And the way I know you had faith is that during this period when many doubt, you went in and you bought a ton of stock for the company. Is that because you knew that these so-called aggregators, these delivery people, would finally run out of steam, leaving you back to where you were?
Well, Jim, in the fourth quarter, it certainly didn't get any easier from a competitive standpoint, but it just didn't get incrementally more difficult. So we kept our focus on the things that we know will drive our business, and we had an opportunity to go out and tap the capital markets and take another $675 million on in debt. And we worked hard to deploy that during the fourth quarter so we could set the business up for 2020 for another strong performance.
Were there people at your shop who said, wow, we did great, but did we do 25% great? Or did people say, you know what, this is the breakout quarter, and wait till people see it, they're going to be astonished?
Yeah, we're really happy, Jim, with the quarter, on pretty much all dimensions, and in particular, the continued growth of that carryout business that we've been talking about for a long time. While most of the industry's running headlong into delivery, which is inherently a more profitable channel to serve, we're working hard to hold serve on that delivery side of the business while really growing that carryout channel, which is going to be an important part of the profit equation going forward.
Can you explain to people the gross margins of these situations, how much money you make, and how great takeout really is for you guys?
Yeah, it's interesting. So on the carryout side of the business, the ticket is lower, but because the cost to serve is so much lower, you end up with really strong margins in that side of the business. And Jim, this gets particularly pronounced on the coastal regions of the country where minimum wage has risen so rapidly. The cost of carrying that food to the customer is only getting more expensive. So we look at it as a nice mix of two businesses that we can run in the same box that when you combine them together, create a great profit equation for our franchisees.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.